All right, guys, so in your packet of math stuff, you guys actually have a piece of paper that is has a bunch of shapes on it and are labeled. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sort them. And so you guys can just sit back and watch this, and we can kind of talk about how we want to sort these if we want to. And so what we're going to do is we are going to sort the polygons by the number of sides. So I'm going to take a look at this one, and let's see here. We've got a four-sided shape, a four-sided shape, 1, 2, 3, four-sided shape. Here's another four-sided shape, four-sided shape. If I look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is not a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is not a quadrilateral. If I count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a quadrilateral. This one, quadrilateral. This one, I can already look at it, it's not a quadrilateral. This one has no sides, it's not a quadrilateral. This one has 3 sides, it is not a quadrilateral. This one is not a quadrilateral. This one is not, okay? Because it's got 1, 2, 3, oh no, this one is, sorry, I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, this one is, okay? And so now what I'm going to do is four-sided shapes are called quadrilaterals. So which ones are quadrilaterals? It's what I have on my paper. Now, what attribute do you need to consider to separate these into two groups? We're going to look at trapezoids and non-trapezoids. And remember, a trapezoid has to have at least one parallel side. So if I were to look at this, parallel side. If I were to look at this, parallel side. If I were to look at this, I'm going to say this one does not have any parallel sides, because if I kind of look here, eventually if I kept drawing this one and this one, I think that they would keep going, okay? So this one is not going to be a trapezoid. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, I have it upside down because letter J. This one is a trapezoid because it has at least one parallel side. This one is a trapezoid, it has at least one parallel side. This one is not going to be a parallel side, any parallel sides, because there's that right angle there, but then they've already met, and then these two are going to meet if I intersect them. So this is not a parallelogram, or sorry, a trapezoid. Let's take a look at this one. This one I can already tell this one's going to eventually meet with this if we write that, and then same thing with this one. This one is not going to be a trapezoid because it does not have any parallel sides. This one is going to be a trapezoid because it does have at least one set of parallel sides. And then this one is not a trapezoid because it does not have any parallel sides. I know it kind of looks like maybe these sides might be parallel, but if I were to go ahead and kind of draw this and continue this out, eventually these two are going to meet. So you really just kind of have to look and study at them. So these are my shapes that are trapezoids, because trapezoids are shapes that have at least one parallel side. If I look at this, these four right here actually have two parallel sides, but it has to have at least one.